Hey everyone, David C. Anderson from the Knife Center coming at you from Blade Show 2024 at the LionSteel booth. Two new knives to talk about today. First is a button locking knife. Which one do I want to pick up? I like the green canvas micarta version the best, I think, because of the nice cross-cut texture you get on the side here. But let me tell you about this. This is called the Twain. They wanted to do a button lock in the lineup. They didn't have one yet, but being LionSteel, they had to complicate it a little bit. Now, LionSteel, of course, is known for their integral titanium frame locks. This is not a frame lock, obviously, but it is an integral. It's actually a double integral folding knife. You have an integral titanium frame. If you look there on the inside, you can see it's one seamless piece of titanium with a cap of an integral backspacer sitting over the top, kind of like a taco or something like that. But that's the green canvas micarta version. I think is exceptionally nice. You've got a few different carbon fiber versions as well. Magna cut blade steel. The length is right about that 3-inch mark. I don't know exactly where that sits, but the spec they're giving us is 3 inches. Almost a full flat grind. Great little drop point shape for everyday carry, and a handle that just plain kind of works. And in a way, it kind of reminds me of the handle of the tie spine, a knife that they used to make. Other details I like are the deep carry pocket clip. Not reversible, unfortunately, but it is nice mounted from the tail. You're not going to see anything poking out above the level of your pocket, and the action is very nice. Thumb opening is also achievable thanks to that opening hole. I can't quite do the reverse flick, a little bit. I lied. Maybe I just had to get used to it with the placement of this. But you can do all of that, and it is just a sleek knife with a really cool build going on as well. Check it out. Next up, we have basically a gentleman's fixed blade. They're billing it as. This is called the Ago, and that's translated from Italian means needle. So it's not like a long time ago, the English word, even though it is spelled the same. Blade here is M390 steel, a little bit over 3 inches long, and that nice slender profile, titanium bolster, and single piece handle. And this one's definitely my favorite here. Sort of a bone or white linen micarta that just looks really, really sweet. It's kind of a 3.5 to 4 finger grip for most people, depending on your hand size. I've got slightly larger than average hands, and it feels more like, it's kind of a 3.5 for me, is where it sits. But it's agile, sits in the hand nicely, pinch grips nicely as well. And the sheath it's coming with, this is a pre-production sheath. This is not the final, but it should be coming with some kind of pocket attachment, so you can carry it that way. But just a nice slender profile otherwise, and cool braid on the back. Let's talk options. You got a black G10 right here, green canvas micarta, carbon fiber, some couple of wood options, and a burlap micarta option, which is always good. Olive wood, always good. Some pretty cool knives coming out soon. I don't have final pricing on these yet, but they will be available at the Knife Center. Make sure to check out the link in the description down below. It'll take you over to the website, and you can see all of the latest LionSteel stuff right at that link. Make sure you check out the rest of our Blade Show coverage. I'll see you in any of those videos over there.